What's going on, good people? I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy, and welcome to Evergreen Hideout. Well, the topic for today's video is how to grow bell peppers. Well, the reason why I grow bell peppers is because I find them very medicinal. So stay tuned, please like and subscribe on the boys YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get started. To grow healthy green pepper seedlings, start with high quality seeds. Use a well-drained seed start mix. Provide consistent warmth with a heat mat. Maintain proper moisture levels by watering when the soil feels dry, and ensure adequate light, placing seedlings under a grow light or in a sunny location. Once the first true leaves appear, begin fertilizing with a diluted fertilizer. Here are some key steps. Start with good seeds. Prepare potting mix. Plant the seeds. Provide warmth. Create a humid environment. Light requirements. Watering. Transplanting larger pots. Fertilizing. Hardening off. Here are some important considerations before planting. Consider spacing, air circulation, and also monitor for pests and diseases. A healthy green pepper plant typically begins to flower around 8 to 10 weeks after transplanting, which is considered to be the flowering stage of its growth cycle. This means you can expect to see flower buds appearing on the plant after this time frame. Bell peppers are self-pollinating, meaning they do not require any plants or insects for pollination to occur. Whenever I'm asked, is the green pepper plant edible? Yes, in fact, the flower, the leaf, the seed, the fruit is edible. Matter of fact, pepper flowers can also be eaten raw. Green pepper flowers are a sign that the plant is ready to produce fruit. There aren't many side effects associated with green pepper flowers, but for some people, they may be allergic to green peppers. Here's an organic method to make sure your plants stay healthy. Follow these steps. Removing leaves from green pepper plant can help the plant to grow healthier, produce more fruit, and be less susceptible to pests and disease. Removing leaves can help the plant focus its energy on vertical growth, which can help it to produce larger and more flavorful fruit. When to remove leaves? Early season. Pruning in the spring can help establish a strong root branch structure, encourage root development, and manage disease. Whereas pruning in the late season can help speed up the fruit ripening before it frosts. Many people dream of growing their own peppers and enjoying a beautiful harvest at home. In reality, however, it can be tricky to cultivate many large pepper fruits. For good harvest, peppers require plenty of sun, warmth, water, and nutrients. In conclusion, green pepper plants should be grown in the spring or summertime after the last frost date. While in most climates, you can start seeds indoors in late winter or early spring. Now that you understand that growing bell peppers is very easy and very simple, please don't forget to smash that subscription button. Your support is much appreciated on the boys YouTube channel. See you soon.